But in terms of words basic words that we share in common, either the exact same word or something similar.
Beer.
Beer, yeah. Ring, yeah. Oh, I never thought of that one. House, yeah. I've got them up here. Mann, Haus, Winter, exact same, pronounced differently. Sommer, Mutter, Vater, Bruder for brother. Freund, Wasser is a lot alike for water. You can probably think of those. If you didn't, it's sometimes we think, well, I didn't know that the German word for winter is winter. But at least if you saw it, you'd think, oh, it probably means winter. That's one of the main things I want you to remember today is that if you see a word in German that looks like a word in English, you're pretty safe in assuming that it means what you think it means, what you hope it means. Most of the time, a word in German that looks just like a word in English means the same thing or something pretty close.